Welcome back, health enthusiasts and curious minds. Today, we're diving deep into the world of natural remedies, but with a twist. Have you ever wondered what happens when you mix olive oil, lemon, and honey? Well, buckle up because we're about to find out. Before we embark on this deliciously intriguing journey, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to join our growing community of health explorers. Now, let's break down the science behind each of these powerhouse ingredients. Olive oil, rich in monounsaturated fats, has been linked to numerous health benefits, including heart health and inflammation reduction. Lemons, bursting with vitamin C and antioxidants, are nature's detoxifiers, while honey, the golden elixir, offers antibacterial properties and a natural energy boost. But what happens when we mix these three together? Is it a recipe for disaster or a health elixir fit for the gods? Let's not keep our taste buds waiting any longer. Into the blender go the olive oil, freshly squeezed lemon juice, and a dollop of honey. And now, for the grand finale. Now, let's pour ourselves a glass of this golden elixir and see what happens. Well, let's break it down, shall we? As this elixir makes its way down our digestive tract, the olive oil gets to work, lubricating our intestines and aiding in the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins. The lemon juice kicks in with its detoxifying properties, flushing out toxins and promoting healthy digestion. And last but not least, honey swoops in with its antimicrobial powers, soothing our throats and giving us that sweet energy boost. But hey, let's not forget the most important question of all: does it taste good? Well, there's only one way to find out. Ladies and gentlemen, the moment of truth. Please, take a sip and let us know your thoughts. Not bad, surprisingly refreshing. There you have it, folks. Not only does this elixir pack a punch in the health department, but it also passes the taste test with flying colors. Here's to good health and delicious discoveries. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of nature's pantry. Cheers!